Just in broad outline.
It was, my Lord, the rights in terms of the Constitution, and Buthelezi told the accused number one that he has a right to remain silent. He told him, my Lord, that anything that you say or you do will be used as evidence against him. He told him, my Lord, that he has a right to consult with a legal representative of his choice.
Just a minute. Yes.
And that, my Lord, if he did not have a legal representative of his choice, the state, my Lord, can provide a legal representative at the expense of the state. And my Lord, he told him that he has a right not to be compelled to make any admission or confession which could be used as evidence against him.
Just a minute. Yes.
Yes, my Lord, and he handcuffed he handcuffed accused number one.
In which language was he communicating with accused number one?
In Zulu, my Lord.
Yes, we proceed.
Yes, my Lord. And I thereafter, my Lord, introduced myself to Mozi.
Just remember to refer to him as accused one.
Accused number one, my Lord. And my Lord, I told him that I'm the investigating officer, my Lord, of the case. I also, my Lord, informed him of his constitutional rights in terms of Section 35. I thereafter, my Lord, asked him where he was residing.
Well, you've just explained the rights in terms of Section 35 of the Constitution that Constable Buthelezi explained. And what was the extent of your explanation of his rights to him?
It's because, my Lord, I was asking him where he was staying. So I knew, my Lord, that I cannot just ask him. I wanted him to know that he has a right, my Lord. Before he can answer any question.
Yes, you've explained what Constable Buthelezi explained to him in terms of Section 35, and what was the nature of your explanation of his rights to him?
I, my Lord, informed him, my Lord, the same, to say he has a right to remain silent.
ngamtshela ukuthi unelungelo lokuthi angathuli.
And anything that he say or do will be used as evidence against him.
Nokuthi ke nanoma yini ke ayishoyo noma yenzayo ingasetshenziswa nje ekuquleni icala lakhe.
And that he has a right to consult with his legal practitioner
Ngimtshela ukuthi unelungelo lokuthi angakhuluma nommeli wakhe
of his choice.
amqokile.
And my lord, if he did not have any legal practitioner, a state can provide one at the expense of the state.
Nokuthi ke uma engenayo ummeli umbuso angamnika ummeli ongamsiza.
Just a minute.
And he said, my lord, he understood.
Wake wathi kuyangizwisisa.
And in which language did you communicate with him?
Nanikhuluma ngalokho limi
In Zulu, my lord.
saphethwe kaMthaneni.
Yes, you asked him where he stays.
Yes, my lord.
And what happened?
Bese kwenzekani ke emva kokuthi umbuzo ukuthi uhlalaphi?
My lord, he indicated that from where we were standing, my lord, it was just down the passage, about 4 or 5 houses away.
La esasimele khona nje ukuthi nje kwakukhona nje passage okungehla ngayo kungekude kakhulu.
I therefore, my lord, asked him if he can take us to his place of residence.
Base ngicela ukuthi angasisa la ehlala khona.
Yes.
And he said, my lord, he can, and he does not have any problem.
Akazange abe nenkinga ngokuthi asise la ehlala khona.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. I also, my lord, informed him that the reason I wanted to check where he was staying, my lord, is because I did not know where he was staying.
Futhi nokuthi uze ngithi ngicela ngisize ukuthi angazisi ukuthi uhlalaphi ukuthi ngangazi ukuthi uhlalaphi.
And that information, my lord, will be used for court purposes.
Futhi ke lolo lwazi luzosetshenziswa enkantolo.
And in which respect will it be used for court purposes?
For bail application, my lord.
Ukuthi ke lolu lwazi lungasetshenziswa uma efuna ukufaka isicelo sebhili.
Yes, you may proceed.
Thereafter, my lord, he took us to his place of residence.
Awasho isikhathi ayisisa la ehlala khona.
As my lord, we were walking, he was busy complaining that Buthelezi and Sadiki were not supposed to make him to lie down.
Uthi isikhathi sihambayo wayekhona ondawo ukuthi uSadiki noButhelezi babengafanele bamphoqe ukuthi alale phansi.
Yes, why
As
not?
my lord, the trouser that he was wearing, it was very expensive.
Ngoba ke leli bhulukwa eligqokile wathi libiza kakhulu.
Yes. And what type of trouser was it? Can you remember?
Kwakunhlobo nebhulukwa uma ukuthi uyakhumbula.
It was, my lord, a Brentwood blue in color.
Leli bhulukwa elibizwa ngokuthi Brentwood ilale nombala oluhlaza okwesibhakabhaka.
These are trousers you buy by mail. You know, Do you buy these trousers by mail? You don't know that?
I don't know, my lord.
Yeah, we used to do that. 50 years ago.
Yes.
And then, my lord, he pointed out his place of residence.
wayesesikhombisa ke la ehlala khona.
Yes.
And then, my lord,
And what type of residence was it?
it was, my lord, a residence whereby there was RDP house, and in the same yard, my lord, there was about 4 or 5 shacks.
La ehlala khona kwakune-RDP kodwa-ke kwakunama amathathu noma amane la ngemuva.
When you get, my lord, at the gate, you turn to the left.
Mungena-ke esangweni ujikelele ngakosobunxele.
So his shack, my lord, was the second shack from the gate on the left-hand side.
Ukwakhe kwakuwesibili kusuka esangweni.
Just a minute. Yes.
Yes, my lord, and when we got by the doorstep of the shack,
Mase sifika emnyango walomkhulu
where he said, my lord, he was staying,
la ethi uhlala khona.
Constable Buthelezi asked him, my lord, about the key.
Uconstable Buthelezi wayesembuza-ke wasemcela ukhiye.
I could see, my lord, that he was indicating to Buthelezi where he can get the key.
Ngiyabona ukuthi wayekhombisa uButhelezi ukuthi ukhiye angawutholanga.
I told,
So how did he indicate that?
he was like at the back
Wayemkhombisa ngisho ungemuva.
of his pocket.
Kusho ukuthi usekhokhwini.
I then, my lord, told,
Maybe for record purposes, if the interpreter can just put the gesture on record.
Kusho ukuthi-ke la into echazayo wayemkhombisa ukuthi engathi uyisa isandla ngasemumva la engathola khona ikhulu.
I then, my lord, told Buthelezi to check for his form of identification,
Sisitela ukuthi uButhelezi asikhombise ukuthi amcela ukuthi angitholaphi umazisa wakhe.
and his clothing, my lord, just to prove that he was staying in that shack.
Ngikhombe iy'mpahla zakhe engasikhombisa ngazo ukuthi ngempela uyena wayehlala kulowo mkhulu.
Just a minute. Yes.
I left him there, my lord, at the doorstep, and I went to inquire from the other people in the yard.
Ngase ngimshiya lapho-ke eme eduze nesicapha ngahamba ngayobuza kulaba abanye abantu ababehlala khona lapho kulelo gceke.
It's just a minute. Yes, and what happened after you've made inquiries? What they told is hearsay, you may not disclose the contents thereof. What happened after you've made inquiries?
Kwasekwenzekani-ke emva kokuthi-ke ubuze labantu abala egcekeni?
Then, my lord, I went back to them
Ngase ngibuyela kubona.
To
and
who?
to Buthelezi and Sadiki
Ngase ngibuyela
inside the shack because it was now open.
ngase ngibuyela kuButhelezi noSadiki ababengaphakathi kwalo mkhukhu ngoba usuvulile.
Yes, may
Thereafter,
proceed.
my lord, Buthelezi showed me, my lord, the ammunition
ngeke basike usadike ngikhombisa-ke lezi iy'hlamvu zesibhamu.
which, my lord, he said they found while they were looking for the ID.
Bathi-ke bayazithola lezi iy'hlamvu zesibhamu ngesikhathi-ke bezama ukufuna umazisa.
Yes.
It was, my lord, nine live ammunition, my lord, bullets.
Kwakuyiy'nhlamvu isishiyagalolunye ezingakasetshenziswa.
A magazine,
Futhi kwakunomagazini khona lapho.
as well as a cleaning rod, my lord, of a firearm.
Futhi kwakunothi-ke lokuklina isibhamu. Futhi olokusigeza isibhamu masinodoki.
Yes.
Those
and-
items, my lord, were in a black plastic bag.
Konke-ke lokho kwangaphakathi kweplastiki unjani?
Black.
Umnyama.
And what was the caliber of the 9 bullets?
9 millimeter, my lord.
Lezi inhlamvu zesibhamu zase-9 mm.
Yes, may proceed.
In fact, my lord, as I walked into the shack, Buthelezi was giving him his rights.
Ngesikhathi ngingena mina emkhukhwini, uMthelezi wayemtshela ngamalungelo akhe.
Yes.
And then, my lord, he reported to me that he asked him about a license to possess such ammunition.
Wasengitshela ukuthi yena wambuza ukuthi unayo yini imvume yokuba nehlamvu zesibhamu.
Yes. Buthelezi then made this report to you about his conversation with accused number 1. What happened further?
Emva kwalokho-ke kwasebenzekani?
I then, my lord, informed accused number 1 of his constitutional rights.
Ngase-ke ngitshela umsolwa wokuqala ngamalungelo akhe.
And just once again, for record purposes, just stipulate them.
Ngicela-ke uphindeke usitshele ukuthi la malungelo kwakuyini.
I told him, my lord, that he has a right to remain silent,
Ngamtshela ukuthi unemvume ukuthi unelungelo ukuthi angathula.
and anything that he say or do, my lord, will be used as evidence against him.
Ukuthi-ke azokhuluma nje lizosetshenziswa esiqoleni icala lakhe.
And that, my lord, he has a right to consult with his legal representative
Nokuthi-ke futhi-ke unemvume yokuthi angaqala akhulume nomnini wakhe.
of his choice, my lord, and if he did not have one, a state can provide one at the expense of the state.
Nokuthi-ke lo mmeli azoqokwa uyena kodwa uma engenayo imali yokuthi akhokhele ummeli, umbuso ungamsiza ngokuthi amnike ummeli ongakhokhele.
And that, my lord, he has a right not to be compelled to make a confession or admission which could be used as evidence against him.
Futhi-ke nokuthi-ke uvunyelwe ukuthi angasho lutho ongagcina kusetshenzisiwe ekuqoleni icala lakhe.
Yes.
I then, my lord, asked him the owner, who was the owner of these items,
Ngase ngibuza ukuthi ubani umnini walezi zinto.
and he said, my lord, it is his.
Wase-ke ethi-ke ezakhe.
And I
Yes.
And then, my lord, I asked him about the firearm
ngase ngembuza ngesibhamu
because, my lord, it was clear that a magazine with a cleaning rod and ammunition, my lord, indicated that, my lord, there is a firearm somewhere.
ngoba ke